Welcome to Fast Facts History. Today we will be taking a look at the Erfurt Latrine disaster, one of the weirdest tragedies you've probably never heard of. So let's take a look at what this really was. So the Erfurt Latrine disaster was a medieval disaster that occurred during a diet organized by the German King Henry VI. After too many nobles congregated in one place, the floor collapsed, bringing the nobles into a pit of feces, resulting in the drowning of 60 people. Why did this meeting happen in the first place? King Henry VI called a diet to mediate a feud between Louis III, the Landgrave of Thuringia, and Archbishop Conrad of Mainz. This feud had existed since the defeat of Henry the Lion, the Duke of Savoy and Bavaria. The feud intensified so much that Henry VI had to intervene while he was away on a military campaign in Poland. King Henry called a diet, or Hoftag, on July 26, 1184. It was to be held in the Petersburg citadel in Erfurt, which was put into military use until 1963. Nobles across the Holy Roman Empire, which Henry later led, were called to the meeting. As the diet began, the floor on which the nobles were sitting on snapped under the weight of the nobles and broke under the stress. The nobles fell to the floor into the sewage underneath filled with feces. Over 60 of the nobles' attendants died, including many counts and burgraves. King Henry VI himself, however, survived since he sat in a small section of the stone floor. The Erfurt Latrine disaster reminds us of the strange ways in which life can come to the end. We've seen wars, genocides, natural disasters, and now drowning in poo. Life does seem to be strange, and the Erfurt Latrine disaster really is no exception.